Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to close a Fifth Third bank account. Now to do this, I want to mention first of all, there's no online closure. That's not an option because you need to contact the bank directly, either by phone or you visit a local branch. Okay, so these are phone numbers you can go ahead and use depending on your country. If you are international, use this one. Otherwise, use this number right here. Okay, and if you have a business account, use this one. And then just contact them. Let them know that you want to close your account. You'll need to have your account information, personal information ready because you will need to confirm your identity. Okay, and request the closure. And before you're actually closing, you need to ensure any linked accounts like an associated advance balance, they have zero balance or they're paid off, and transfer any remaining funds out of the account. That is only when you're able to actually do the closure. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.